One of only 60 Roush Touring Coupes produced, this supercharged Mustang provides an excellent mix of race-winning power and choice two-lane athleticism. Looking for a unique muscle car that's fun on the road and fun at the show? You're looking at your next classic. Number 40 of only 60 Roush Touring Coupes assembled, and one of only 13 founded on Ford's brilliant Torch Red 2-stage. This polished Ford pony is a pampered specialty car. The body is 100% straight, with no histories of accidents or damage of any kind. And a close look down its fuselage reveals not so much as a dent or ding anywhere. Inside, you'll find an attractive cockpit that mixes standard Ford convenience with many thoughtful upgrades. The seats are leather buckets that wrap red stitching around suede Roush-branded inserts. A monochromatic dash hangs Roush gauges next to cool air conditioning and crisp Shaker 500 audio. And the driver takes control through a Roush Short-Throw Shifter on a clean console. Ford's 4.6-liter mod motor V8 utilizes a coated Roushcharger to spin stout 435 horsepower into 400 pound-feet of torque. That power is managed by a Tremec 5-speed with a limited slip differential. The name Jack Roush is legendary at racetracks around the world, so when he puts his name on a line of performance Mustangs, you know they're going to be something special. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.